All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna jump straight into today's video, but I want to explain a little bit how I got the idea for the 30 Boxwood gen. I was watching one of SC Happily video. If you don't know, this is her channel. And doing one of her video, I was watching her build this winter boxwood trail, and I was like, I like that idea, and it looks so lovely. And I was watching another YouTuber video, Enthusiastic Gardener. You know, she's located in England, and her channel is absolutely lovely. And I watched her dug up her lawn, and I said, you know what? I want to do something like this in my front yard. And I actually took the video I watched from SC Happily and what I watched from Enthusiastic Gardener, and I kind of combined it, and I actually did it in my front yard. It looks lovely. But enough about me rambling on. We're gonna get straight into that and show you guys how we actually got it done. And it looks so different because in our neighborhood, every single thing looked the same. The lawn looked the same, and we wanted to do something, you know, outside the box, different from everybody else. So let's go. Boxwood. These are beauty. They're 1 gallon. We got about 28, I think 28 or 30. We're gonna put them in the front yard. Make something real nice. Look how they came. They came like this. The bad thing about buying online when they get delivered. So this is our baby gen boxwood etch. Looking pretty good right now. So right now I'm gonna put them in the ground. So now we're putting the boxwood in the ground, making a nice sizable hole. Digging it up. I'm using some Plantone fertilizer. Just gonna throw some on the bottom to basically give this boxwood a really good start. Like so. Can't go wrong with that. This boxwood, look at it. Such beautiful foliage on it. Take it out. I'm gonna drop it inside here. Voila. That's it right there. It's real easy to plan this, but what I'm not gonna do, I'm not gonna videotape all 30. Basically just gonna show you guys one and just skip to the end. If you guys don't mind. I know you guys don't want to watch me plant all 30. I know that's pretty boring. So you guys can see basically the concept, what I'm doing here. And believe me, when it's done, it's gonna look amazing. So just stick around. All right? Thank you. So now we're doing the other side. I just cut the grass. Getting ready to take this grass up and put down the rest of the baby gems. So this side should look like this. See how that side look? So I'm gonna take that grass up. So this is our very own trail. You see, as you walk up, it's so welcoming. That's why we wanted to create this. Still see the lawn, still in work in progress. And the trail. See that? Definitely got that lilac tree I talked about. See what I mean? Everybody got the same thing going on their lawn, except us. So you guys saw us plant the 30 boxwood gems. I think next up you guys are gonna see us plant the daffodils. We're gonna plant the daffodils in between the boxwood gems. I think I spaced them like 16 inches apart. So I wanted to leave some room to put the daffodils right there in between. So next time you guys get to see that. But for now, I'm happy I got the 30 boxwood gems in the front yard. It looks very nice. It looks really awesome. We got more things coming, so always tuned in. And thank you guys for being here. Really appreciate you guys watching the video. You know, you guys know that means the world to me. And see you in the next one. I'm out. Actually, I'm gonna lay down right here. I'm not going nowhere. I'm tired.